Good day, guys. Everyone asks online, like, is Amazon private label or wholesale? Which one is better and to get started with? So, let me tell you one thing. What I have learned so far online, uh, Amazon wholesale is the best option for the beginners to get started with, because definitely takes less amount of money, less budget. You at least need $1,000 and you can get started with Amazon wholesale. You don't need much, you don't need more money. But if you are looking for the future and if you want to build up your own brand, you definitely have to go for Amazon private label, which it takes at least $5,000 to get started with. And what I have learned online, like, you have to be diversified. You have to try at least 10 products of different, like 10 different products, and few units of each product should be fine to get started with Amazon private label. But that's for the future. Like, you have to get started from Amazon wholesale and you keep growing, and you will be there at that position in the future, hopefully. So yeah, this is the difference between Amazon wholesale and private label. And you definitely need to use the tools like Helium 10 if you're looking, and if you're working in Aussie market. Helium 10 is the most accurate tool, which gives you the exact proper figures, like the sales numbers of products which are in demand right now. And you can use Amazon movers and shakers as well. These are some recommended tools by Amazon experts, which I have learned online again as well. So yeah, definitely I think this video will give you the clear idea. And definitely, if you are a beginner, get started with Amazon wholesale. Thank you.